Here we come to the parking garage elevator at Food City in Wesleyland. This is a Westinghouse elevator. ThyssenKrupp replaced the call button. There's only one elevator in the parking garage, unlike the Food City Tower, but this elevator is bigger than the elevators inside the Food City Tower. Basic parking garage elevator. Let's go to U3. EPCO circle line buttons. Here we go. Here we are on upper parking level 3. Food City's on level M, which is the midpoint of the parking garage. But we're going to go back down to L2, which is lower parking level 2. So yes, you can be parked on level M. And that's it.